Biggest value for Hall Benefits Law and coming to the summits is that we get to meet clients and prospects that we would otherwise not be able to as a smaller law firm. And as we grow, those relationships become more and more valuable, and seeing people for the first time and getting to meet them and them becoming clients and then growing those relationships and seeing them at future summits is huge value for us. I think outside of Marcus Evans, it would be pretty close to impossible to meet many of the people that we meet here, just because they're so busy. And when they come to a CLO summit or an HR summit, whichever the case may be, they're there to talk to us. And so we know we have a captive audience. And again, just trying to reach these folks as a smaller boutique firm, with even though we're doing business in 39 states, they often wouldn't know who we are but for Marcus Evans setting up these customized meetings. So as a direct result of the summits that we've attended, I believe we've onboarded somewhere around 5 clients. But for a firm like HBL, 5 large clients are a door that opens lots of different opportunities, because those are companies that have organic needs that grow out of the relationship. So when we meet these folks, we recognize that it's going to be an ongoing relationship. And a lot of the people that we meet, the prospects that we meet, we're still planting seeds and having those future conversations at future summits, and we know that that's going to come to fruition. So although we've onboarded 5, that doesn't sound like a large number. For a group like HBL, those clients can serve as the basis, the foundation of a long-term future relationship that helps us to do things like hire more attorneys and get our name out there and become a brand, not just a firm. So the thing that makes Marcus Evans a partnership and not just an event is that we actually have people we can reach out to if we have questions. They help us with our accommodations. They help us to connect with other individuals at the event. So it really feels like a relationship, not just an event. There's plenty of networking events right where we live, work, and play, but we choose to participate in Marcus Evans because we know it's more curated, and we feel like that's going to lead to the personal relationships that way. So obviously when we chose to work with Marcus Evans, we decided to make an investment in our own business and to trust what we're hearing from Doug and from the other folks that are our connections here. And when we did so, we took a little bit of a leap of faith. You spend the money, but you don't know if you're going to get any return on investment. So again, with the 5 or 6 clients that we've onboarded through Marcus Evans over the last 2.5, 3 years, I would say we've had at least a 2 to 3 times return on investment, and I would guess that that's probably going to just continue to grow as people learn more about who HBL is as a law firm and what we're doing for those other large clients, because then we have case studies that we can refer to, and so it's hopefully going to be a snowball effect. I guess the advice I would give would be that when Doug Lampinen or someone that does what Doug does for Marcus Evans reaches out to listen, not just hang up. This is definitely something that's different and unique amongst other event curators and businesses that do events. There's a real personal touch. There's a real commitment to making sure that there is ROI. And if there's an area where you might be struggling at the event or to make connections, that you're going to have somebody walking alongside you to help make those connections and to get the ROI that you're looking for. I would recommend Marcus Evans events because I think that it is, for who we are, the best way to use marketing dollars to get true return on investment.